Hey everyone, Trey with Texas Property Management Partners. Super excited to show you this really cool executive level home in Katy proper, or as some would say, Old Town Katy. This is in a coveted neighborhood called Whispering Lakes. The house is around 4,150 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. So let's check it out. As soon as you come inside, nice marble tile. You get a little dining area over here and over here. A nice office area. Go right to the primary over here. Half bathroom. Into the primary bedroom. Get nice access to see the backyard, which is large. And then here we go into the primary bathroom. The level of detail in here is amazing. The owners did super good in their choices. Very large walk-in closet. They got a really cool drip head on there, so whoever rents this property is going to really enjoy that shower head. Okay. Extra storage for pantry. 2-car garage attached. Large washroom. You can put a deep freezer in there. Place is huge. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. Looks like all of the appliances have been upgraded. Get your stone countertops, get your vent hood. Awesome. Definitely lots of good meals there with the family. All right, we're gonna go outside and then we'll check out the upstairs. Okay, just when you think it could get better, it does. Look at this awesome sunroom in here. This is amazing. You can do like gardening, put a pool table in here. There's so much stuff you can do in here. I love it. Get a large backyard. Looks like you get some privacy. Those are some really mature, not only are these mature trees, but you get some privacy back there. So look how big this yard is. Man, if you got a dog or whatever, you'll have tons of fun. Okay, let's go on upstairs. Okay. I mean, if you've noticed the chandeliers and everything in the home, like, this place is big and awesome. Okay, living room number 2. You can definitely see some really large couches, gigantic television. Study number 2, theater room, you know, whatever you want. Place is cool. And you get bedroom number 2 over here. Get a nice 2nd story view. Shared bathroom. More storage closet area. I mean, these rooms are huge. I mean, this has got to be like 14 by 12. Cool little catwalk spot. Hey! I don't know if you noticed, but there were 2 closets over here. So lots of storage. Jack and Jill bathroom. Go. We're right in the final bedroom. Again, with a nice 2nd story view. Okay guys, well there you have it. We're in Katy, Texas, Old Town. If you have any questions about this house, give us a call, 800-833-8330, or find us online, texaspropertymanagementpartners.com. Love to help you out.